Modelworks Direct, a company that fabricates aircraft. Contact us at 1-844-8-MODELS or email us at info@modelworksdirect.com.
Hi guys, this is Camille of Modelworks Direct. Today we will build a F-117 Nighthawks. It was the first operational aircraft to be designed around stealth technology. The Lockheed F-117 Nighthawk is a semi-retired American single-seat, twin-engine stealth attack aircraft. So join me as I build this model kit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's start! Now I will ready the things I need to build this F-117. Don't mind my face though. It's kinda hot here in the Philippines and I'm just focusing, so yeah. I will pour some Loctite super glue into a bottle cap. And then I will use a blade tool to cut the remaining plastic of the model kit F-117. I will also use sandpaper to make the surface of the F-117 kit more smoother. And then I will put it parts by parts. Watch until the end so you can see the finished product. This F-117 model kit is small, so it's kinda hard to put the smaller parts. But it's fun building this F-117. Finally, I finished putting in the parts of this F-117 model kit. Watch me as I spray this bad boy F-117. Now I will spray a putty paint to put a smoother finish on the F-117. I will put 2 coats of putty paint. I let it dry for 5 minutes and then I will spray the black paint. Now here's the black paint. I will also spray 2 coats of black paint. the other side. And the last part, I will put the sticker decals. Look how tiny the sticker decals are. Finally, I finished this F-117 model kit. And here's the final result.
Modelworks Direct, a company that fabricates aircraft, cars and ships to desktop-size scale models. Contact us at 1-844-8-MODELS or email us at info@modelworksdirect.com.